What did the horse say after it tripped? Help, I've fallen and I can't giddy up. You're welcome. We have the ambulance on the way because Adriana is, I think she aspirated earlier today and she really seems to be struggling to breathe. So the ambulance are coming to hopefully take us to the nearest hospital, which is like an hour away. So that's why we called them. So we're just waiting patiently.
We called them so they could check first.
Yeah.
To see if that, because they can get here quicker.
Yep.
They're there. Hey, they're here.
All right, so they checked her out. They did her blood. I don't know. They did a bunch of stuff. Anyway,
No, they didn't do her blood.
They didn't do her blood. No.
Checked their temperature.
Yeah.
Checked their lungs or heart rate,
Yeah.
fever, all that stuff.
It's after midnight. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'm tired. Anyway, they stayed here for a while, for like half an hour, checking her over and everything like that. And they said we're probably good to.
You can see why we were a little concerned here.
Yeah, to let her sleep tonight and take her into the hospital in the morning, because we don't want it to get worse. So they, they gave her Tylenol, and we're gonna attempt to lay her down here soon and see how she does for the rest of the evening. And then first thing in the morning when she's up and we're dressed and I'm not in a house coat and pajamas, then we'll probably take her right into the hospital and see if we can get her on some sort of medication. But they think she might just be coming down with something. There's been like pneumonia and a lot of chest colds going around right now, so they're thinking that it might just be that. So let's hope so.
Or no.
Well,
pneumonia's not good.
I mean, let's hope it's just a cold and not like,
I
worse.
think you're too tired. You don't know what you're saying.
Yeah. Good. And then I took her into the emergency there and they saw her, but I didn't see the doctor. I just saw like the nurse, and she was saying that the doctor, is going to be a couple hours behind, and before I even get to see him, and he's probably not going to do anything anyway, they assume that she just has a cold. So her
Hello. Hi. Hello.
she was like, has like fluid in her lungs and couldn't breathe. I was like, oh, it's all. Yeah, like real bad. Just talking to my sister.
The coffee's ready.
It is, thank you. I'm so tired.
Well, heating.
Yeah, oh, good enough. I gotta drag myself out of here. Oh. The pajama day.
Like that's different. She's still sleeping with her butt in the air.
Oh, okay. Thank goodness. No. It's been a rough few days, hasn't it? Oh, baby, I gotta clean that. It's definitely been a rough go the last few days. It just seems like a bad cold, like some sort of, virus or something going around. There's a lot going around right now. So it seems like that's just what she has, unfortunately. Yeah. She's been getting lots of cuddles and snuggles. And Sam's been entertaining us by doing our makeup. Have a look at how crazy this got. All right, so this is the final product. See this picture here? That was yesterday. That was pretty funny. But this is today's look. She's getting better with every day.
Looks like you're wearing bows off the Christmas tree.
Yeah. So today it's like 6 degrees Celsius out, which is a super nice day for in the middle of Canadian winter. So I'm going to go out for a walk. I already have an oil change booked, so I was going to cancel it because the baby's been sick, but because the weather's been so nice, I thought I should go, drop the car off, and take her for a little walk so we both get some fresh air. It has been really, really cold here, living in Canada, being in the winter, so I haven't gone out much to get any fresh air because I just didn't want to take her, you know, sick little lungs out into the really cold weather, but being a nice day, we're gonna go today. So I'm excited to get some fresh air and to see some sun outside. On our way to an oil change. It's a nice sunny day. It actually says it's +7 today, so that's good. Can you get it up there? High is the Walmart building. Just need one. No, not that chili style with onions. You go, well, might as well. Might as well try that. Yummy pot of chili.
It's a scary sight.
After all this sickness, I need a face mask and relaxation time.
You need a facelift.
It's rude.
You need a face.
Cucumber?
Facial.
Yeah. I don't actually think we have cucumbers.
I thought we just bought a cucumber.
No, we didn't buy it.
You ate it.
The last one, yeah, you ate.
I did?
Yeah,
All of it?
all of it. I can look in the fridge, but I don't think there's any. It's getting in my hair.
What?
I don't know. I got extra. I'll just
my
keep putting it
gosh.
everywhere.
What are you doing?
There was extra. I don't want to waste it.
A freak? Who are you?
Yeah. Feels nice. It's cucumber and cool. Do you want me to do yours, Sam?
No.
I really lathered mine on there.
Yes, you did.
All right, not really sure if that did anything or helped anything at all, but I feel better. It was nice. It was relaxing. I may have got a little carried away, but I didn't want to waste any of it. So it's now all off. I wish that it was a peel. This was actually one that you had to wipe off, and I much prefer the peel ones because they're more fun, but wiped it off and I feel refreshed now. All right, so it has been almost a week and Adriana was still sick, so I called the after hours clinic and I was able to get her in. And she has bronchitis, so like some blockages in her bronchial tubes, which then caused an ear infection. She has an ear infection and she has RSV, which is a respiratory illness. So she's on 2 different antibiotics and 2 different puffers, and we are tired. We are very tired, aren't we? Yeah, she's not loving her medication either. One of them is like 14 mils I have to give her. Luckily, it's only once a day for 3 days, so that's good. The other one is 3 times a day, so she doesn't seem to mind that one, though luckily in the puffers she doesn't seem to mind either, but it is just like a lot of coughing and wheezing and boogers. But I'm grateful for all of your prayers, and I'm grateful that she's not in the hospital, that she's home with us on her medication, so that's really good. We're really happy about that. But we're just taking it day by day as we can, because it's a lot of work having a sick baby. Oh! We're attempting to make muffins while the baby plays on the floor and is not crying.
Hi. Hello, Dolly.
Hi, baby girl. Careful.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, that's a lot. You don't need any more than that. Okay. The joy of homeschool. We get to do baking class on a Thursday morning. Eh? Yummy little oatmeal muffins. These are the tiny ones. And then some regular sized ones. Let's get some butter on these. Like icing. There, you got it with butter on top.